Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to notify team on Discord channel for cash-free payment. So let's suppose I'm running an e-commerce store and I'm receiving all my payments with the help of cash-free. Now whenever there is a new payment, I automatically want to notify my team on this Discord channel. Now doing this manually will be a very tedious and a time-consuming task. So I'm completely going to automate this process, and to do this automation, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between cash-free and Discord. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to build this connection in such a way that whenever I will receive new payment in my cash-free, my team will be automatically notified about this new payment in my Discord channel. Now if you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen.
In this video, we are going to see how to notify team on Discord channel for cash-free payment, and here I have made the connection between cash-free and Discord with the help of Pabbly Connect, where we are going to check this automation workflow, and I am going to do a payment in my cash-free, and if I am notified on this Discord channel, this means this automation workflow is working fine. So let's quickly open my form. So this is my form and I am going to fill some dummy details. So let's say the name is latest user, phone number is this, the email address is latest555@pabblytudes.com, address is Old Street, city is Bhopal, state is Madhya Pradesh, and then the pin code is this one. Now I'm going to click on this pay, and here I'm going to select my payment method, which is card, and then I have to enter the card details. So let's say the card details is, now I'm going to click on this proceed to pay. Here I have to enter the OTP for making the payment, and here I have successfully done the payment. Now I should receive a message in my Discord channel. So let's quickly open my Discord channel, and here I can see that I have instantly received this message. The name was latest user, payment was made of 999, the email address was latest555@pabblytudes.com, and this was the product for which the payment was made. So this is how this automation workflow will run. And now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to notify team on Discord channel for cash-free payment. For this, we are going to create automation between cash-free and Discord with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect/inr/ in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. Now if you want to create a new folder, you simply have to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow button, and first I need to provide the workflow name, and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to notify team on Discord channel for cash-free payment, and now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and I want to select this all automations and then click on create. Now here, as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to notify my team on Discord channel for cash-free payment, which means whenever there will be a payment in my cash-free account, my team will be automatically notified on Discord channel, which means whenever there will be a cash-free payment, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger says when this happens. So whenever cash-free payment happens and then action says do this, then notify my team on Discord channel. So here in my trigger application, I am going to take cash-free. And then in my trigger event, I have to take this payment via form. Now I need to make connection between CashFree and Pabbly Connect, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my CashFree with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk, I'm going to make this connection, and to make this connection, let me open my CashFree account. So this is my CashFree account and I am in test mode. I am going to click on this payment gateway. And then I have to scroll down on the left hand side where I can see this developers. I have to click on this webhooks. Now as I'm doing the payment form, so I'm going to open this and then I have to click on this add webhook endpoint. Now this is the same webhook URL which I am provided in this workflow, Pabbly Connect workflow. So I'm going to copy this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here, and then I have to click on this test and add. Here I have to click on this add and the webhook added successfully. Now I need to open my Pabbly Connect and check whether the test response has been sent there or not. And if I scroll down, I can see that the test response has been received. Now this means the connection that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and CashFree, that is successful because I have received the test response in this workflow. Now I have to click on this recapture webhook response, and do you wish to recapture the response? I have to click on this yes. Now it has changed to waiting for the webhook response, and under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now this means, so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission, for which I am going to open my CashFree account and do a payment from there. Now if Pabbly Connect captured that response here in this workflow, this means the connection setup that we have created is working fine. So I'm going to open my CashFree, and then on the left hand side itself I can see this payment forms, and then I have to click on this all. Now I'm going to do the payment for this dress. So I'm going to open the link to this payment form, and here I'm going to fill some dummy details. So let's say my name is admin user, then my phone number is this, then my email address is admin@pabblytudes.com. Then let's say my address is New Street, city is Bhopal, then the state is Madhya Pradesh, and then the pin code is this. Now I'm going to click on this pay, and here I have to select my payment method, which is card, and then I have to enter my card details. Now after entering my card details, I have to click on this proceed to pay, and I have to enter the OTP, and here I have successfully made the payment. Now I should receive this response in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So let's quickly open my Pabbly Connect, and if I scroll down, I can see that I have received the response. The status is paid. The amount that we paid was 999. The phone number that we just entered was this one. The name was admin user. Here are the rest of the details. Address was New Street, city was Bhopal, state was Madhya Pradesh, pin code was this. The email address was admin@pabblytudes.com. As soon as I've done the payment, I have received that response here in this workflow, and this means the connection setup that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and CashFree, that is successful. And now whenever someone will make the payment, I will start receiving the response here in this workflow. Now moving on to the next step, whenever there is a CashFree payment, I want to notify my team on Discord channel. So then in my action application, I am going to take Discord, and then in my action event, I have to take this send channel message. Now I have to click on this connect. So as I've already logged in my Discord account, this was an easy authorization, and now I need to enter all these details. So the first one is webhook URL, and to get this, let's open my Discord account. So this is my Discord account, and on the left hand side I can see all the servers. I have to select this PC integration, and then 3 channels have been created. I want to send the message in this particular channel by the name CashFree. Now after selecting this, I have to go to this arrow beside PC integration, and then I have to go to the server settings. Now on the left hand side I can see this integration option, and then I have to go to this webhooks. Now I have to click on this new webhook. And if I open this, I have to rename this webhook. So let's say the name of the webhook is CashFree 2, and then I have to select the channel. So we want to send the message in this CashFree channel. So I'm going to select that. Now I have to click on the save changes, and then I have to copy the webhook URL. Go back to Pabbly Connect and copy that webhook URL over here in this field. Now I have to draft the message in a way that I want to send to my team. So let's say, dear team, we have received new response and payment from CashFree. Here are the details. So the name, phone, email, address, payment, amount, and then the product name. Thanks, regards. So now I have to enter the value to these fields, and I'm not going to enter this manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous response. So here I have received my response from cash free, and when I click on this any of the field, I can see this cash free. Now when I click on this, I can see all the response that I have received from there, and the first one that I have to enter is the name. So the name that we have received in the response was admin user, and then I have to enter the phone number. So the phone number that we have received is this one. And then the email address was admin@pablitudes.com. The address was New Street, Bhopal. And then I'll put space between these two. And the payment amount was 999. And then the product name was this one. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static, and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now after entering all these details, I simply have to scroll down, and over here bot name, bot icon are not required fields, so I'm going to skip this. Then in the text to speech, I want to keep this as disable, and now I have to click on the save and send test request and wait for the response. Here I have instantly received the response, and this response is a positive one. Now I need to open my Discord channel and check whether I have received this message there or not. So let's open my Discord, and here I can see that I have received the message under the same channel, cash free, and this is the same message that we have just drafted. Now so as to check this automation workflow one last time, I am going to open my cash free account and do a form submission again. So here this is my product, and I am going to fill some dummy details. So let's say this time the name is new user, phone number is this, email address is new222@pablitudes.com. Then the address is Old Street, Bhopal. State is Madhya Pradesh, and pin code is this one. Now I have to click on this pay, and here I have to select my payment method and then fill the card details. Now I have to click on this proceed to pay and then enter the OTP. And here I have successfully made the payment. Now I need to open my Discord channel account. And here I can see that I have received this message also. Here the details have been changed. The name was new user. Phone number that we just entered was this. Email address was new222@pablitudes.com, and the rest of the details are also same. So now to summarize, we took Cashfree as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We have done the payment and received that response here in this workflow. Then we moved to the next step where we want to notify the team. So we took Discord as our action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, and entered all these details with the help of a method called mapping. Simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response, as these details been automatically sent and shared with my team on this particular Discord channel. So this is how this automation workflow will run, and here we have successfully created automation between Cashfree and Discord with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.